Meaning of inadvertently.
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 Inadvertently. The word inadvertently means to do something unintentionally or by accident, usually resulting in an unforeseen consequence. It implies that the action was not deliberate, but rather an oversight or mistake on the part of the doer. The result of an inadvertent action can vary greatly depending on the context, ranging from a minor inconvenience to a serious harm or damage. For example, accidentally leaving a stove on may inadvertently lead to a fire, while forgetting to attach a document to an email may inadvertently cause a delay in communication.